Where you find the essence of engineers is that we are the agents of change. We are asked to implement the change that's coming. Probably as far back as I can remember, I think it was just the curiosity of how things worked. And once you see how things are put together, you realise that someone actually had to design all that. Back then, you really had to find that source of information, find that person that would share some knowledge with you. And then the opportunities you've got to create for yourself. I started just doing a lot of drawings, in conjunction with some of the project engineering work I was doing. The world was changing very fast. I bought my first laptop, I bought my first printer, then bought my first plan printer, and then I couldn't fit it all in the garage anymore. Nearly all engineers are introverts. Hard to find that level of communication skills that you need if you're going to be a leader of others. But, I was prepared to sort of put myself out there. Whatever money I made, I just kept reinvesting into better computers. Now we had the tools to simulate reality. We help develop the software in some occasions to make sure that we're, producing as much value and doing as much cool engineering as we could. There was 4 of us and then there was 6 of us. We were working across 3 industries and then 4 industries. One day I'm doing a conveyor that's doing 400 tonne an hour, and within a few years I'm doing 10,000 tonnes an hour. As an engineer, you see everything through the engineer's lens, okay? And what makes an organisation work effectively and efficiently, it's just a continuous improvement process. And after a while it sort of all merges together and you go, it's really all about relationships. To be in business, you've got to be a risk taker. Back yourself and back your team, have the right culture, create an environment where you can encourage that innovation and creativity, but also have the discipline to make sure that the projects don't go off track. As a young engineer, you come to realise that, nothing is permanent. Everything's in a constant flux of evolution. 25 years of good value solutions to clients. We've got a really good reputation out there. Let's look at what we need to do to sustain this momentum. What are going to be the needs and the drivers of the future? You've got to not only invest in the business, but also in your profession. Are we producing that next generation of engineers that can support the technology of today and tomorrow? So look, I'm just driven to make sure I produce good design engineers or great design engineers, and that'll be the legacy.